Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to tune your voice in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up right here, you'll be greeted by the main page. This is the home page of the application where you can get started with looking at the trending videos, you can see all the posts by other users and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to tune up our voice. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and click the plus button right here at the bottom of the screen in the middle. That is going to enable us to get started with importing a new file and adding a new track and get started with tuning our voice. So go ahead and input your file where you want to tune your voice. I'm going to open up my project right here, and after opening it up in our studio, this is how it's going to look like, where we can go and take a look at our track. So guys, now we have a couple of options, and guys, if you look at the bottom part left of the screen, you can see we have this tune option right here. So if you click on it, this is going to enable us to go ahead and advance our left and right hearing. So here you can go ahead and manage your voice, the decibels, and so on. And after you're finished guys, if you want even more options for editing it, you can go ahead and click on your track. So go ahead guys and click on your track. That is going to open up this new options and menu, and you want to click the three dots. After clicking the three dots, now you can get started with tuning your voice either by using the voice cleaner, voice to MIDI, and so on. You even have the gain options and so on, and you can get started with messing up with your voice and selecting what works best for you. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.